VLM method when cleaning upholstery. In this video, we will show our process on how to clean upholstery using the VLM or very low moisture method. To start, you will need a few items such as a general purpose cleaner, encapsulation upholstery cleaner, microfiber towel, agitation method, which ours is a drill and a brush attachment, and vacuum. Step 1. Removal of dry soil. Begin by spraying your general purpose cleaner onto a disposable towel or microfiber towel. Next, thoroughly wipe down all of the hard surfaces of the chair. Step 2. Thoroughly vacuum upholstery or fabric. Now we're going to vacuum the upholstery to remove as much dry soil as possible from the fabric. Step 3. Apply encapsulation chemical. Start by examining the chair to see if there are any visible stains or spots. If there are, you could spot treat those particular areas with a little extra chemical first. Now apply an even mist over the upholstery and making sure to apply it to all of the fabric. Step 4. Agitate encapsulation chemical. Do not start with lots of pressure on a high speed. It's important to build up pressure and speed over the fabric as you get going. Agitate the chemical into the upholstery nice and easy. If you have any spots or stains, you could be required to provide those areas with a little extra attention and agitation. Step 5. Clean off any residual soils. With your microfiber towel or a cotton towel, firmly wipe down all upholstery, removing any leftover soils.